Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to complete the new update. I'm not too quite sure what it gives you. I'll have to find that out. Okay, this stuff is now here. Frozen Mountain. Well, those are the last ones I have to get. Maybe if I look here, it tells me what you... Custom snowboard? I got a custom snowboard. That's what it gave me. How do I get it? Well, anyways, guys, to complete this... Whoa! Actually, let's just head over here first. Oh, here's the custom snowboard. Special snowboard. Oh, this one's free, I think. Oh, if you buy them, you can just get it free from here. Alright. Well, I guess I'm gonna take this custom snowboard with me. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna be showing you how to get the custom snowboard. So what do I recommend taking with you? You wanna take this with you, just a basic flashlight. I'm gonna put that right there. And then I recommend taking like a small, a small bag full of rockets. Just a few though, not too many. You can fill up this small backpack though. Okay, I'm gonna just get this many. And then I might get one of those actually. But then you just want to ski down a little bit. Oh, and you can take a little ski too, or you can get this one. But let's go. Then you have to ski down, and then you just want to follow me. You do not have to take here. It's just mine. There's my second ski board. That's where that one went far down the mountain. The other one didn't even go down the mountain. My friend said you go fast with two. No, you go fast with one. Down here till you see the cabin thing, and this is what you're going to need your flashlight for. You could abandon your flashlight after this, just so you know. But then you just want to go in here. And so you can kill these guys. Then just want to hop in here. don't need that flashlight anymore. We should take it back up. Not Yep. And then you just want to go down even more until you find like a big giant door. Yep, we'll see. Honestly, this music is fire. This is also the lobby music, if you don't know. There for now. Then you want to take your big key. I want to go like this way. And then you just want to. And then it starts moving. Now the real question is, where did my ski room? Alright, you're gonna need the rocket soon. But not yet. And then after I complete this part, this part is pretty hard. Does that say Bugatti? Alright. Now you do not want to climb that just yet. What you do want to do is come over here. Grab out a rocket. And then you want to stand about here. And then you just want to activate it. And then you want to make sure you do not go through that because you are most likely going to die. And then you also want to grab a rocket. And then this is 2 of the last rocket spots about. And you kind of just want to go over here. Okay. Trying to make sure if I had any more. And then you want to go about over here, and you'll see what. Okay, you see that giant pit? No, you just want to go down. You gotta go fast. And then I don't have any more rockets. Oh, I have 1 more, but and you want to activate it, so you go fast. And then guys, we're almost there. I'm gonna go down the easy way, which is the left way. But if you guys want to, you can go down the right way if you want like a harder challenge. Okay. I still have some left. How many left? Alright, I have 4 left. That's good. Now we just have to... We're supposed to like go around and do like a whole step thingy, but I don't feel like doing that. Whew. Okay, then it's this one we're going to rocket on. There we go. And then here. And then you do not need any more rockets, so... And then you're gonna need this. And then you're gonna want this, because this is a tape. To the frozen vault. And then you want to go over here, I believe, to the broken ski, or the frozen ski lift. And then it brings us here about. I have not gotten the tape yet, so. That's a problem. Can you put the tape on your side? No. Okay, so it means I'm gonna have to make it down here on foot. And you can't put these in backpacks. Getting closer. That's not it, because that part is done. The only problem is I don't have a skateboard. So. Oh, I thought that could be as a skateboard. Never mind. And then the part that's coming up, if you have or have not seen this, you're gonna love it still. Even if you have seen it. If you're an OG player, you're gonna love it even more. And if you haven't seen my video that I posted today, that's gonna be in the comments, because yeah. We just gotta go quick. Because, I mean, my VR isn't low, but, like, we just gotta go quick. And also because I don't have a skateboard. Alright, we are really close now. Now, if you want to, you don't have to, you can get yourself some hot cocoa, which I'm not going to do, but. Okay, there's the water tower, and whatever that thing was. I have no clue what that is. Office isn't here, though. big tower isn't there for offense. So. See, what was my time? Alright, we're almost here, and we're practically here now. And you can go do this as many times as you want. So you just want to go put this down there, and then just watch the show.
Jimmy, stop! Jimmy, stop! Jimmy! Jimmy!
Hi! Is that a crowbar? That's such a fun trampoline!
Would you rather a free rocket or a mystery bag?
Oh, God did for me.
Joking with it, joking
Hey, buddy, you need a haircut?
Sorry, but I have to go.
Mimi, no! What are you doing? No! I mean, just look at her.
Alright. For the monkeys out there, resist the urge for bananas. Oh, that's just cool though. You wanna go into the TV. Oh, that's trippy. And then I have no clue what happens if you touch the ground. But try your best to collect as many of these as you can. Because it does happen to give you a couple ones. I got the number There's one up here. There's one right there. I did miss one right there though. There's one more. Let's see. What is this? Hold up. And then once you guys feel like you got enough of these, you can where did it go? Hold on. And then once you collect them all, or you just don't want to collect them all, you come over here, to the flamethrower, the galaxy gyat, whatever the hat is. Those glasses, some gyats, some of the bigger gyats, and then to this toilet RPG. Oh gosh, what happens? Oh. I haven't done that yet, so I think you're supposed to use my parkour. But guys, you're almost done. And then you see that shotgun? Oh. No. Oh. And then this is everything that you collected. And then finally, if you click this button, you get this. And then the name shows up. And then you get yeeted. And I mean, it sends you all the way back. This is a really cool process. And it just takes you back up top. Boom! Back up here. And then you should get this special snowboard. And then you can head back if you did get the tape. And then you can put it in whatever ones it goes, the frozen vault. Mountain, lost, utility. Oh. There you go, frozen vault. And as you guys go try to do that, I'll go look for the other things. Goodbye, guys.